Okay, next to our content of presentation, starting with background and purpose. The company performance in achieving its vision and mission can only be realized if supported by good processes and human resources who have competencies and provide optimal performance for the company. Therefore, it is necessary to have mechanism for managing company performance that can follow the direction of company development, that can be managed in a plain, measurable, clear, flexible, and realistic manner. Object of this research is that on company in field of construction. This company still face a number of constraints and problems in their performance management activity, especially to fulfill employee performance target. It is necessary to do an innovation in business processes to solve this problem using business process management. This study aims to design target business processes which can fulfill all the requirements, solve existing problems, and improve existing processes using business process management technique. Method and this research, the study was conducted by qualitative research method by conducting interview to executive and related personnel and collecting supporting data from secondary data sources derived from corporate strategic and operational document. To identify existing process, we model the existing business process using BPMN with Bizagi modeler. To identify improvement needed, we identify target business process requirement using collected data from survey, interview, and secondary data. Design of target business process must meet all the requirements. It is done with the proposed implementation online-based employee performance management information system to support all business process. Okay. First of all, we analyze existing process in employee performance management. Employee performance management process consists for major process in form of performance management cycle. The first is performance management planning, starting in the initial period of performance management, for example, every year. This process for each employee, performance item and indicators or KPI, key performance indicator, will be determined and cascade from enterprise KPI to employee KPI. Second is performance implementation and monitoring. Implementation and realization of predetermined performance planning. For each employee, report the result of their work progress as performance to their supervisor for approval. In this process, there is also a process of discussion and coaching between employee and their superior. The third is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal are carried out by superiors to subordinate employee. Each time employee report their performance achievement. This process is conducted at the end of the performance appraisal period, yearly, especially in December. Performance evaluation, an evaluation of the performance result that have been made by employee is carried out for continuous improvement for the company. Currently, in this corporate, the entire business process is still done manually, facing many difficulties, especially in reporting, slow feedback from superior, process flow that takes a long time, difficulties in appraisal and evaluating performance. This contribute to the lack achievement of organization goal. That is existing condition. And then we done gap analysis. To do gap analysis, first we identify target business process requirement to achieve goal for our employee performance management business process from input from executive and secondary data. So we identify all the requirement for the target business process. And then we mapping this requirement to existing business process. We identify which one of business process existing that can meet the requirement. And then from the result, after we map the requirement to existing business process, we found that generally the existing business process cannot meet the specified requirement. This is generally happen because the entire business process is still done manually. To fix this, it is necessary to improve business process. Proposed improvement of business process is to innovate the use of online information system that can meet the needs of the process. Yeah, and then, according to identification of requirement, we design target business process. Yeah, design target business process. We do, so they could meet all the requirement. It's done with the support of implementing online-based employee performance management information system. So we model the target, modeling in BPMN, like existing, but the target, we design the target process, to meet all the requirement, using online system, In this target process, in employee performance planning cascading process could use balanced scorecard method, is automatically processed by system into several objectives that are tailored to specific organization unit. Determination of employee KPI can be done in each organization unit, especially based on their objective. All of the process guided by information system, so user can follow the process easily and correctly. The planning result can be sent directly to their supervisor for online approval. And then, in employee performance implementation and monitoring process, each employee can report their work achievement as their performance report at any time during this period online. Every employee can monitor the progress of their performance at any time. Supervisor can receive notification anytime their subordinates submit the progress and monitor the achievement of the employee performance. Next, in the process of employee performance appraisal and evaluation, final performance appraisal can be carried out automatically by system at final period after the employee has validated their performance progress report. Supervisor can receive notification and process the assessment of employee final performance. Employee assessment result will automatically calculate the amount of employee performance benefit. From this appraisal, superiors can provide specific performance evaluation with analytical data provided by this online application. To ensure the successful implementation, it is necessary to prepare a standard operating procedure, implementation instruction, supporting technical instruction, and socialization to all stakeholders to provide a uniform, good, and clear understanding related to employee performance management in the company. Okay, that's our target result from our research. And then the final is conclusion. The results show that in general, existing employee performance management business process have not been able to meet requirement. This is because all of the process are still done manually. Business process can be improved so that they can meet all the requirements in achieving organization goal by innovating business process with the support of online-based employee performance management information system. Implementation of company performance management business process could use best practices such as balanced scorecard method. The business process implementation must be carried out at all levels of organization unit from top to bottom by involving all organization unit and employee. To ensure the successful implementation of target business process, it is necessary to prepare a standard operating procedure, implementation instruction, supporting technique instruction, and socialization to all stakeholders to provide a uniform, good, and clear understanding related to employee performance management in the company. The last, the suggestion from this study include the system will be better if integrated with the company employee master data to ensure staffing and performance data that is up to date and valid. Integration with employee competency information system will create better employee development analysis result with the talent pool analysis. It is also necessary to develop mobile-based application that can be accessed on smartphone by employee to facilitate access and easy use of application so employee can use the system anywhere and anytime, both online and offline condition. Thank you.